Hello everyone, my name is John Jairo Benitez. This is my document. I am going to answer one question from task 4. Let's go. Question number 1. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place for you? Answer number 1. Yes, I went sightseeing in Cairo in Egypt. I visited the pyramids and the Nile rivers. Question number 2. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? Answer number 2. When I traveled to the Amazon, I eat a word called mojojoy, very delicious. Question number 3. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? My city is Monteria, Córdoba, Colombia. In Monteria is the First Avenue, full of iguanas and friendly monkeys. Question number 4. What place have you missed during your trip? Answer number 4. When I traveled to Israel, I missed the Bethlehem. Question number 5. What was the most incredible activity you have done during your trip? What did you do? Answer number 5. Living in Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, because there were fantastic coral. Thank you for all. Have a good day.